Restoring individual files from backup. First, click Protect. Next, File Servers. From here, choose the appropriate server, and from the drop-down, click Restore. Select the appropriate date range. Select the appropriate folder location, as well as the appropriate files to be restored. There is a download link in order to save the files locally. Click on Restore to bring up the options for retrieval. Choose your destination folder. The option to restore to original folder is set by default. You can also choose to unconditionally overwrite data. Your confirmation will show in the right-hand corner, as well as give you a link to job details. By clicking Jobs on the left, you can view the status of all jobs sent for processing.
Orchestrating a brighter world. NEC.